In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a stubborn blank page in Google Docs that won't go away. Whether you're finalizing a report or a school paper, this simple step-by-step guide will help you solve this frustrating problem. Let's dive in. First, let's look at the problem. You have a blank page in the middle of your document that disrupts the flow. You've probably tried the usual methods, but it just won't disappear. This is often caused by hidden formatting, like a stray page break or specific paragraph spacing settings that are not immediately obvious. The first common approach is to highlight the entire blank page and press delete. You can do this by clicking at the top of the blank page, holding the Shift key and clicking at the bottom, or simply clicking and dragging. Once the area is selected, you can right-click and choose Delete, or just press the Delete key on your keyboard. As you can see here, this action doesn't remove the page, which tells us the problem isn't just empty lines of text. The next method people often try is using the backspace key. The idea is to place your cursor at the very beginning of the content on the page after the blank one, and then hit backspace until the content moves up, eliminating the empty page. However, if a manual page break or a formatting rule is the cause, backspacing from the next page won't work. Similarly, placing the cursor at the end of the text before the blank page and hitting the delete key often yields the same result. Nothing happens and the blank page remains. Now, for the solution that almost always works. The issue is likely tied to the formatting of the very first paragraph on the page after the blank one. Place your cursor right at the beginning of this text, in this case, before Research Instruments. Go to the main menu at the top and click on Format, then hover over Line and Paragraph Spacing. In the drop-down menu, you will see an option that says Add Page Break Before. In this case, that option was checked, creating the unwanted page. By clicking on it to uncheck it, you remove the formatting rule, and the blank page instantly vanishes. This is the most common cause of a page that won't delete. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted the stubborn blank page by adjusting the paragraph formatting. You can now see the text flows seamlessly from the methodology section to the research instruments section without an unnecessary gap. This technique is a lifesaver for cleaning up documents. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.